What's up, guys? I'm Chester here today, and well, it's my very first vlog, and well, where are we? At a race. But, yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. I'm racing, practicing tonight, racing tomorrow. Should be a lot of fun. But, yeah, it's gonna be a busy Sunday, huh? So, let's take it to the bit and show us what we got going on today. So I'm walking through freaking crowds of people. You think I'm crazy? Here, let me do the car real quick. Yeah, pretty much fun. There goes. We've got a lot of people here today. And like, that's not even the end of it. There's more people back there. It's crazy.
This is an '89 Honda. How dare you?
Yeah, pretty much. Say hello to YouTube, Curtis. Yeah, so that's Curtis. He's a crazy dude. So yeah, here's our setup pretty much. It's crazy. But yeah. So let's take a look here. We got 2-wheel drive buggy. It's crazy as hell. And then I just dropped all my things from carry. Beautiful Spartan truck. But yeah, it's a busy day today. I'm racing world, and I'm just setting my stuff up a little bit. So I can show you what I've fully been doing. It's pretty much setting them up as they go, and voila, a 3-car setup. Yeah, it's nice. And then freaking chemistry, whatever. So yeah, it's a crazy day, and pretty much we are in St Ignace, Michigan, getting ready for the big day tomorrow, which is going to be hellishly crazy. And we're inside a casino, which is hellish. I'll even give you guys a preview of the track here. Mark this flip. And yeah, it's so crazy. And then there's Casey, the lead person of this track night and this whole big RC race. Yeah, he's the man, the legend, the man with the plan, pretty much. But yeah, so that's kind of a preview of the track here. Here, I'll give you a better look. But yeah, that's pretty much what is going on today. We got Ryan over there. He's beaten me a lot of times, and I still haven't gotten him yet. I'll get there eventually. Hopefully. I'm coming for you, Ryan. But, yeah, the track is pretty weird layout. Yeah, we've got a casino right over next door. And then we've got a whole bunch of freaking people who are already here for practicing. We already have 150 people registered. That includes online. People are already here. It's crazy as hell. And then, yeah, it's what? It was about a 3-4 hour drive here. So, it's kind of crazy. So yes, we're gonna go into the sparkling Christmas tree. See you back. we're back. Uh-oh, we're grabbing Ryan's car now. And there goes. But, it's a little hellish. I'm just getting a refill. So, yeah, that's kind of the plan today. I'll give you guys a little background preview of what's going on back here. Sorry, refill my top. Because you know, it's RC racing without pop. So yeah, this is going to be cut into a couple of parts. Hopefully I'll get this one done. Probably post it up today. And then probably the next one will be the end of the race. Maybe a little bit of a preview of what happened. Ooh. Yeah, that just kind of sums up the day. So we've built a wall ride, which is a pretty big stinking thing. I think I already showed you guys it over. So I'll show you guys the time this stuff also exists. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so this is our giant one. Don't judge me, I'm YouTube. Don't judge me. This is Patrick, the guy who always beats me at everything he does.
I donated my hair to be fast.
Yeah, I could see that happening. But yeah, so probably tomorrow I'll get some footage in, racing along with me, and then, yeah, that's pretty much it. This is on St Ignace, Michigan. Please come check it out. I kind of skipped school today because of it, so, yeah, that's kind of it. So, yeah, this is kind of a short video on my turn, so I'll see you. Yeah, so, yeah, pretty much like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. See ya.